guys, good morning. Happy Wednesday morning. 9:37 me. So I'm going to walk for 40 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. So roaming around lang ako dito sa compound namin, sa aming apartment. Kasi ayokong lumabas doon sa may jogging area talaga, in neighborhood. Kasi I just wanna feel safe. Charis lang. To 45 minutes, okay na yun. Mga 3,000. Naka-record din tayo sa ating watch para mag-guide tayo. So, see you later. Update. I did 21 minutes. So 15 more minutes or 10, depende. Ang lamig guys, but hindi gaano kalamig. So mga pangalawang libot ko na to. I think I will not be doing 3 round kasi parang napapagod na ako guys. Tapos malamig din. Okay lang naman, ano lang muna ngayon. 30 minutes. Pag term na tayo, 1 hour na tayo. Pero, yung pacing natin, hindi guys, hindi yung pang lose weight. Natural walk. So, yan ang update. Bye muna. I'm so happy I did it. Pero hindi guys. Hindi 2 kilometer. Pero okay lang kasi 30 minutes lang naman yung yung goal natin. Para hindi muna tayo mapaanak ng early. So, hindi pa pala ako mag sit down immediately. Muna tayo guys, stretching. Nag sunblock ako guys, kaya puti yung mukha. ay mag-ano ako, magbasa. Charis. Basa-basa kunuhay. Magbasa ako dayon. Kuan lang. May importante lang akong babasahin guys for additional knowledge of the day. And then after that, I will cook na may BGS, mongo, and chicken. Isagol na ako. I will make gulay, vegetable. So for my food for how many days already? Inom lang tayo ng water for hydration. And then more minute before I will sit down. Yung asawa ko tulog galing work, so kaya we lower our voice. Ano na natin to guys kasi hindi naman mainit, I mean malamig. Tsaka yung shoes natin, alisin natin, iwan ko muna kayo dyan. Ito guys, we're done finally. So update nga pala sa aking prenatal yesterday kasi panay-complain ako about my numbness and painful in my fingers, right? So yeah, exactly as what I researched, no? I researched. The reason of the doctor is exactly what I researched based in Google. So ano daw yun guys, yung carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome ay usually the discomfort na mapifeel sa mga tao na palaging computer works yung trabaho nila, saka yung mga genetic na rin siguro, at saka yung age, no, that's the factor, risk factor. So and also most commonly daw as well as in pregnant, so that's why we don't worry about it according to the doctor yesterday. And so you know what, as she explained it to me, I said same thing. So what she encouraged me to do for the management is warm compress or intermittent warm or cold compress, or I will buy a splint. I can buy it in the pharmacy according to her. Splint, I wear it when I'm going to sleep, but I said in my mind that I don't need it because I can tolerate the pain every morning because hindi naman siya mag long last, na hindi talaga akong komportable. Pag talagang masakit na masakit siya, like in a range of 10 na ang skill niya sa palagay ko, kasi may ganun talagang moment, I mean times, yes, na masakit talaga, babangon na lang talaga ako at mag warm compress. Biglang nagdilim guys dito, biglang madilim. Ano nangyari? And then about the baby's weight, okay lang naman din, hindi siya malaki pa, hindi rin siya maliit, so it's very kuan lang, it's very normal. My weight is gonna to be exact with my body mass index and also in my pregnancy, you know. So pero may goal sila na dapat ganun yung weight niya, but the doctor said still early because I'm still 34 weeks, so the baby is still growing. So I thought I've been eating a lot and the baby is very overweight, but it's not. It's lang normal by age gestation, by age of gestation. So yun lang guys, ang update natin sa ating pregnancy life. So nakakapagod, but this is what it is, no? Dadaan talaga tayo pag tayo ay babae, tas may planong mga anak, dadaan. Iba-iba tayo ng experiences and cope mechanism, paano natin i-manage yung ating mga sickness, mga nararamdaman about pregnancy. So that's it guys. I hope you know what guys, pag nagsasalita ako ng English hindi na pronunciation. Aware naman ako dyan. Bahala kayo dyan. Pag mang-bash kayo, hindi naman ako nasasaktan kasi totoo naman. So, tired lang, little bit, of course. Magpahinga lang ako, guys, ha? Bye! Nagluluto na ako, guys. Nagluluto ko ng munggo with chicken. Gigisahin natin, gagawin natin gulay. At saka, isang hiwang manok, pertuhin natin. So, in the next, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang finished product. So, this is Yummers, guys. Chicken with munggo. May tangad tayong anong kulay na nito. Ginisa natin sa sibuyas, kamatis, at bawang at luya. And then, that's it. Let me try it.